happy? Or sometimes you feel frustrated that how many things I have to manage? Does it happen with you? What are the things which makes your day good day for you? Manage your practice, how many hours you are dedicating to your learning. Is there any fiction? Creating a YouTube channel is your biggest decision and it gives you the biggest change.
Right.
Create a free day. You don't have
Mhm.
any commitment with anyone. So how you will spend it, how you will utilize or just have fun. Get a very good afternoon, Vikita. How are you?
Mm. First of all, good afternoon. And after seeing you, I'm the full of the beans, and I'm very happy with conversation with you.
Thank you, thank you. I'm also over the moon today because we are meeting very first time, and
Right.
I was watching some of your videos. Once your conversation video, latest conversation video, which you have uploaded today, maybe. So it
Mm-hmm.
was nice. So I thought I should connect with you. So a very warm welcome on my channel. So what about you? How's your life going on? How's your day so far?
So life was going well, and it is going smoothly and flawlessly. So I'm happy with that. And I want to say, I also saw your video yesterday, and like it's Asim sir, I can say.
Yes,
uh,
yes.
you
Asim
upload, yeah.
Sarkar.
So yeah, Asim Sarkar, and I saw your video full, and then I thought I can mail you. So I opened my mail, and then I saw your message. So I I was very shocked. So afternoon I messaged you, so I can saw your message. So I'm very happy with that.
Thank you. It happens sometimes, we attract things like we whatever we want.
Right.
So you manifested it, we can say, huh?
Yeah, right. Yeah, right, right.
Okay.
So
Yeah. So before diving into the session, as we are meeting very first time, so I would
Mhm.
love to know about you. So could you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, of course, thank you so much for giving this opportunity. So, my name is Vikita and I hail from Gujarat. If I talk about my education, so I done graduation in English literature. Apart from I hold two degree, PGDCA and MCA. Now I'm a homemaker and simultaneously I also YouTuber and I also take tuition at my home and I run my YouTube channel. Its name is Sign with Vikita, where I upload conversation video and solo video, and it's totally related to learn that language. So if anyone want to learn this language, so it can learn that language from my channel. And I blessed with one son, and I'm also keen and enthusiasm to learn this language. So I every day show up myself and try to accumulate more knowledge. So that's a snapshot of who I am.
Yeah, that's really great to know about you. And you are doing so many things like you are a homemaker, and you are a mother of a cute boy, and then you are providing home tuitions, and now you have started your YouTube journey also. So how are you feeling now? How these things makes you happy, or sometimes you feel frustrated that how many things I have to manage? Does it happen with you?
Sometimes it happens. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed, but end of the day, I feel very happy because yeah, of course, sometimes it becomes challenges. But I love to took challenge, so I'm happy with that.
Yes, I was watching a conversation. So in that conversation, your co-learner is appreciating you for your 30-day challenge, maybe, because I'm also
Yeah, right.
struggling with it. I'm trying to deal with it, and I have a positive mindset that I will be able to deal with it. Okay, so
Yeah,
best of
right.
luck for me.
So please, yeah, of course, please introduce yourself.
Okay, so you want my introduction.
Mhm.
So, as you know, my
Right.
name is Rashi Khandelwal. My roots are from
Mhm.
Rajasthan, but now I'm connecting with you from Gurgaon. And like
Mhm.
you, I'm also a homemaker and simultaneously working on my YouTube channel, Learn English with Rashi.
Mhm.
This is my YouTube channel name. And
Mhm.
apart from these things, I also have a master's degree in English literature, and I am bibliophile person, loves to read books. But nowadays, I'm not
Mhm.
doing reading. I'm not able to manage so many things. So that's a little bit about me.
Glad to know about you.
Yeah.
Yeah, of
So,
course, I totally resonate with you.
hmm,
Being a homemaker, it is very difficult to manage all the things and
yes,
especially maintain consistency.
yes, it happens because with me, what happens? Uh, I am living in Gurugram and my in-laws are living in another city in Rajasthan. So on every festival, doesn't matter it's a big festival or a small ritual or customs are there, I have to go there. So there are,
Right.
frequent changes in my location, and
Yeah,
then it
right.
hits my routine and schedule, everything. So I'm trying to, be prepared for
Mhm.
everything. So it will take time,
Right.
maybe.
Yeah, of course, it
Okay.
is very difficult. Yeah, of course, I also struggle a lot. Last week, I also went to my in-laws' house for
Hmm.
1 week. So I have to prepare that. I like recorded 7 8 video for that 1 week because I knew that whenever we went there, I didn't get time to
Yes.
like do anything. So
Yes.
we have to prepare all the things before that.
Yes,
Mm.
we have to pre-plan
Mhm.
and then we have to pre-record everything and then upload, schedule
Right.
everything. But sometimes what happened with me, I'm not able to pre-record my videos. Content is ready, but
Yeah.
it happens with me. So maybe I'm making excuses or I'm not able to deal with my situations, but I will try to rectify all those things.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Okay. So as you mentioned,
Mhm.
your at the last you feel good when you were talking about your day. So I just want to
Mhm.
know from you, what are the things which makes your day good day for you?
So first things is learning that language. I start my day with English. So that's
Okay.
feels me happy because what happens for that language, I wake up early, 4:30 every day,
Oh my God.
and I start my day with like a meditation and learning this language. And I would love to spend first 2 hours with myself, and that is me time, where every day I learn and try to accumulate and polish my language. So
Hmm.
that feels me happy. Whenever like some last night some happens and I didn't sleep, so that's the I didn't wake up early, so I feel
Guilt,
guilty.
regret.
Today
Hmm.
I yeah regret I'm not wake up early, I cannot give my time myself. So that's feel me happy.
Okay, so
Mhm.
you are a morning person, we can say. You loves to wake up early
Right.
and you have
Yeah, I am
stolen
an early
some time
riser
from
person.
your sleep time.
Right.
Okay,
And
these are.
because I
Hmm.
know that after that being a busy schedule, I don't get time, and if I don't wake up early, my morning become collective. So that's why
Hmm.
it's
It happens.
forcefully I have to wake up early.
Yes, it is with everyone, and especially for ladies, for homemakers, because after waking up, and if we are not waking up early, then your time will automatically turn to afternoon. You will so much busy in
Right.
cleaning, making lunch, dinner, and
Yeah, right.
each and everything you have to manage, and then you forget that you have to give your time to yourself also. So it happens.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
So,
Mhm.
how you manage your practice? How many hours you are dedicating to your learning? Is there any fixed schedule or just you are going with the flow?
Mostly I going with the flow, but first 2 hours daily. No, not even Sunday, Saturday, yeah, even holiday. Whenever I went to my in-laws house, that time
Hmm.
I didn't practice. But whenever I live in my place, that time I every day practice the first two
Hmm.
hours. And after that, it is not fixed schedule. Whenever I have session, that time I take session, and sometime I'm free, so I also use peer app. So where I conversation with a learner, and sometime I use ChatGPT. So in this way, I try to manage. So it's totally 3 to 4 hours every day I give.
Okay,
Mhm.
that's really a
Mhm.
good thing. You are dedicating 3 to 4 hours this language. Okay,
Mhm.
so when you started your journey and today you are sitting in front of me, what are the changes you feel that now I am a transformed Vikita. Now I'm not that one Vikita. So do you feel that like that?
Yeah, of course. Why not? I can say one line like YouTube changed my life. I can say that because before starting my journey, like learning, I'm not.
Hmm.
Yeah, of course. In previously, I knew about the language, like basic rules
Hmm.
and reading, writing. But comes to speaking part, I was zero. I was not able to utter any single word.
Hmm.
But after starting and coming this field, that gives me a more confident first and trust myself. Before I'm what shying person, introvert person, I'm not able to convey my message any even my native language. But now
Hmm.
I'm everyday change. I can see the changes in myself every day. I feel more confident now. I can speak any YouTubers like some are the big, so I'm not feel too much hesitate.
Hmm.
So it's changed a lot. I can say it's totally changed my life.
So we can say creating a YouTube channel is your biggest decision and it gives you the biggest change.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
I feel,
Right. Yeah.
I feel same like you
Mhm.
because it also happened with me when I don't have any
Mhm.
great, YouTube channel. So I was not so much
Mhm.
disciplined.
Right.
I'm not talking about
Mhm.
uploading the videos, but behind the, back of the
Right.
camera, I'm doing my practices day by day and I'm consistent with
Mhm.
it. But before that, it was just like if I have that mood, then I will do practice. And if I don't
Yeah.
have
Yeah.
that mood, then I will skip. But after
Yeah.
creating YouTube channel, I become more disciplined and so much confident that yes, we
Right.
can talk with anyone and we can articulate our thoughts very well. So it
Yeah.
happens with everyone. I have listened these kind of same things from every homemaker who says that I had
Right.
created a YouTube channel and now I am more confident than before.
Yeah, I
Okay.
totally resonate with you. I also feel like same that whenever I not started my YouTube channel, I always think, I will practice tomorrow.
Hmm.
If I didn't get time today, I don't get time tomorrow.
Hmm.
But starting YouTube channel now, I have to force myself. You have to get for time for yourself. You
Hmm.
have to do that things. So it has to maintain my consistency and
Yes.
make me disciplined person. I can
Yes,
say that.
yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Definitely. I also feel resonate with you. So,
Mm-hmm.
imagine if you get a free day. You don't have
Mm-hmm.
any commitment with anyone. So, how you will spend it? How you will utilize or just have fun? Get
Mm. I can say not. I'm punctual person, and I know time is very precious. So I can utilize my time. I read my book. I listen podcast, and I also use ChatGPT, so I can utilize my time easily. Now, if people give me like anyone give me 10 hours, 12 hours, so I can utilize my time proper way. I can say that I have
okay.
so many resources, so I can use it to uplift
Yes.
my level.
Yeah, that's a
Mhm.
wonderful thing you have mentioned because there is also a choice that
Mhm.
you can spend it. You can waste it actually by scrolling
Yeah.
and just,
Mhm.
for just going outside. These are the things also important, which I feel sometimes we need that kind of
Right.
comfort and
Yeah.
entertainment. So, for a limited time, these things are important. But if you are just wasting your time, your full day, then there is no mean to this.
Yeah, of course. I also do some that. Yeah, of course. Relaxing also helps to improve like our health and all the things.
Hmm.
So whenever like my husband and son come at home, so that time I spend with them time and I feel relaxed.
Yes.
Whenever both are go outside, that time I utilize my time.
Yes. This is the way when you are when you are alone at your home, so it's just depends
Mm.
on you how you are going to utilize it and how you are
Right.
going to waste it. Nobody is going
Right.
to say anything to you.
Hmm.
And
Mhm.
it is same with me. When my husband does at home, I'm not able to give so much productive hours to my learning.
Right.
So I also plan my schedule just when he goes to office daily and after his office hours, because in morning I also want to spend some time with him, and after
Mhm.
returning back from the office, I also try to spend more little bit more time with him. That's why.
Yeah. Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
It is also part of our life.
hmm. So
Yeah.
what
Right.
kind of practices you are doing for learning or for vocabularies or for English learning totally?
For vocabulary, I do active listening
Hmm.
because there is a two type of listening, passive and listening. And active, yeah, of course, I also do passive listening. But whenever I do home chores, yeah, whenever I in kitchen, that time I use passive listening. But whenever I free, that time I choose one conversation, yeah, podcast video, and I jotted down some words where I'm aware of that words,
Hmm.
and some jotted down some sentence structure also.
Hmm.
So in this way, I try to uplift my and improve my vocabulary.
Hmm.
And I also do shadowing practice, and that helps me a lot to improve my pronunciation and build my fluency. And nowadays I start a reading book and writing practice also, because now I am aware of myself. I am not able to articulate my thoughts properly and clearly sometimes. So in this way I started my reading writing practice and reading practice also.
So you are doing these four kind of practices simultaneously, and it is very big thing which I feel, because I'm also not able to manage all four practices in a similar day. I
Right.
can do
Sometimes I
one
also
by
mix
one alternate basis, but I'm not
yeah,
able to
right.
do all those practices on a single day. So it is a
Mm.
great thing whatever you are doing. So just please
Mhm.
continue this. And do you have something
Mhm.
in your mind for me?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, of course. I want to say, please tell me about your journey, like where you start.
Where I start. So my speaking journey has been started with my YouTube channel. So I
Mm-hmm.
created my YouTube channel in the month of February last year. So it has completed
Mm-hmm.
1 year, and March is also just end today. So you can
Mm-hmm.
see 13 months have been completed.
Oh,
Yeah. So
okay. So, are you like on and off, right?
yeah, I'm on and
Yeah,
off.
right. Okay, no problem. Yeah, of course, sometimes it happens. But if you like doing that, so it is a big thing because there are so many homemaker. They always make excuse. They don't get time. So in compare, it is good things. At least we can try
Yes,
to do something new.
actually what I feel is I am little bit meticulous person. I want everything to be perfect level, I know that there is not any perfection. Nobody's going to judge me.
Right.
But, sometimes it happens. I don't want to upload my video in raw form. I want to edit it. after learning
Mm-hmm.
editing, little bit editing. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm not ready to upload it if the editing part, if the video is not ready with editing. So my husband says you can
Mm-hmm.
upload it with in raw form also, but I denied. It happens with me. Even yesterday it happened with me. So I feel these
Mm-hmm.
things, on these things I have to work. If I will not
Mm-hmm.
chase the perfection, then maybe I will become more consistent. So I will try to work
Mm-hmm.
on this. And another
Mm-hmm.
thing is, there are I'm so rigid. Sometimes I become so rigid for my plannings. Like if I have
Mm-hmm.
written down some things in my to-do list and I'm not able to do them, so I will not go with another option which will take little time. I can do it. I know my mind is also, there is little bit confusion. I have write it out,
Mm-hmm.
that target, why I have to shift to this. So I'm that kind of
Mm-hmm.
person, pattern type, everything in a
Mm-hmm.
pattern. So these are the silly things which I am doing, and I have to work on these things. Then I will
Mm-hmm.
become more consistent.
Okay, yeah, of course, sometimes it happens because everyone have different mindset.
Yes.
So it happens. Yeah, yeah, of course. So I want to say one thing, why the time management is important for success.
Sorry, can you please repeat it?
Uh, why is time management important for the success?
Yeah, time management has a crucial role in success for anything, because when you have a fixed time limit in your mind,
Mm-hmm.
then your mind
Mm-hmm.
will also force you to dedicate that period of time to your practices for English learning, for anything.
Right.
If you are in any other another field and you are learning something else, so you will
Mm-hmm.
automatically try to do your work and make you get ready for your learning practices, and make you get available for conversation. Because if there is no
Right.
schedule, no time management, then you will deny and you will start to do procrastination.
Right.
So
Yeah,
to
I totally
analyze
agree with
yourself
you.
and to analyze your
Mm-hmm.
performance, how much you are getting better day by day, time management has been there, and it is crucial. No, nothing is. We can't have any another alternate for this.
Mm-hmm. So I want to ask one question. What is one habit do you want to improve in this year?
My one habit is, as I mentioned, I am a meticulous person, so I want to
Mm-hmm.
work on it. I know that there is no need to become more perfect, but this is in me, and I want to control it. First thing is, and the second thing is, I want to become more consistent for uploading. Actually, sometimes it happens my content is ready in my laptop, but I have not uploaded. So how I can say this to on social media that I am doing something? So I want to
Mm-hmm.
do this thing. These two things are there.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So please tell me about one your happiest moment in your life.
My
Whenever you felt
happiest
happy. Hmm.
my happiest moment in my life is,
Mhm.
I feel I'm lucky when I got married to my husband. He is such a superman. I don't. Sometimes I feel that I am super lucky because I have not seen males as like a calm nature. And the second one
Mhm.
is when I got my first earning.
Mhm.
It was 200 rupees only.
Yeah,
I
of
te-
course.
I teach a kid
Mhm.
for 3 to 4 days only, and it was
Mhm.
just voluntarily. I didn't teach him for money, but his
Mhm.
parents says that you are doing so, we have to pay to you. And I denied, but when they give me that 200 rupee of note, I feel
Mhm.
that this is the thing where I have started, and now I have to go ahead and ahead.
Right.
So these
Yeah,
are the
right.
things. Do you have
Okay.
something, some memories like your first earning, or some biggest memories of your life? I mean,
Yeah,
not
of course,
biggest,
same like
happiest.
you.
Hmm.
Yeah, of course, I'm like you. I have two memory. Like first is I got married, and the second one I become a mother. So whenever I saw my son, so that is biggest happiness for my life. Yeah, of
Hmm.
course, then time though I have pain, but
Hmm.
I forgot all the things when I saw him pass.
Hmm.
So that two memories I happiest moments in my life. I can
Hmm.
say.
I feel when you
Mhm.
become a mom, then everything comes
Yeah,
later. Till now, I don't
right.
have kids, but every mom says same thing.
Yeah, yeah, right. Yeah, yeah. So, do you have
Okay.
any questions?
No, I have done with my all of the things. So if you have something,
Yeah,
then you can continue, or we should wrap up.
yeah, of course. Now I also have completed. So,
Okay.
it is enough for that session.
Okay, so
So, the,
it's really
Mhm.
a great conversation with you. I also enjoyed a lot, and I hope you also
Mm.
enjoy. Okay, so
Yeah, right.
I will love to connect with you again for a meaningful
Yeah, right.
conversation. So till then, bye bye.
Yeah,
Take care. Thank you.
yeah. Okay, thank you so much for giving your precious time, and it was a amazing session, and I enjoyed thoroughly. So, and also learn something new, or learn that session and start their journey. I
Yeah,
hope.
yeah, they
Okay,
should be. Thank you. Bye
yeah,
bye.
right. Thank you. Bye.